So I said that one would be real quick because there was only a GCF in the bottom. So last one, we're working with variable p. We need to find our excluded values. So where exactly does that denominator equal 0? And you should be thinking 0 and positive 7. If we set 7 minus p equal to 0. Now, as far as canceling, we run into the same issue that we did on the last one. The factors in the top and the bottom are close, but again, things are mixed around. That negative's not quite right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a negative out in front on the bottom, which makes this negative 7 and positive p, and now it matches the top. We have positive p, negative 7, so I can cancel those two things out. And now, interestingly enough, the entire numerator has canceled out. So does that mean I don't have a fraction anymore? Well, if you were thinking that, good thought. But unfortunately, because we still have stuff in the denominator, we have this negative p, we can't get rid of the fraction. If the denominator gets canceled out, then we can do that. But because it's the numerator, what we actually have to do is put a placeholder up top. So we'll put a 1 in the top, and then you can either write it as negative p, or you could write, you actually could put the negative on the top, so negative 1 over p, or you can just put the negative out in front. Fractions have a couple different ways to write a negative. So any of those three answers plus our excluded values from the top would be our final answer for this one. So what I want you to do at this point is you're going to go to the calendar for this week, and you're going to work on the 10 simplifying rational expression problems. Again, don't forget that you want to follow those 3 steps every single time, and we should see an excluded value statement. So x is not equal to or whatever the variable, and then your simplified rational expression. Good luck. Email or message us with any questions.